Hey guys, welcome to another session from onlinemoneybee.com. In this session, we'll go ahead and take a quick look at the cloud-based viral rewards platform called Perkzila. Now, I was trying to do a quick comparison with existing viral rewards programs that are available in the market and Perkzila, and I really got surprised to see what are all the benefits that you have in Perkzila, especially in terms of the pricing structure and in terms of the features that you have and in terms of the support. Now, if you can stick on with me, I'll go ahead and discuss about what exactly Perkzila and what you can do with Perkzila, what are the benefits that you're gonna get, and what is the benefit by having Perkzila over the others. And we'll also go over the members area and we'll try to do a sample campaign. Okay, so stick with me and we will just get into the weeds of exactly the members area of Perkzila. Now, once you get access to Perkzila, this is how your dashboard basically looks like. So I'll just quickly go ahead and log on, and then we'll start continuing to go over each of the details of this particular platform and what are the benefits that we have here. Okay. Okay, so basically this is how your dashboard looks like. The moment you log in, you will be able to see all your links in here on the left side, and you will be able to have your profile settings on the right side top, which is very common anyway. And if you go onto the left side, you do have an ability to open up the knowledge base and understand how to use Perkzila to set up your basic autoresponders and also to set up the campaign and what are the different settings that you can use and what you need to use, all of this information, pretty much your help documentation. And then you have your referral dashboard. So if you are actually setting up the campaign, once you set up the campaign, you will pretty much be able to see what are the referrals that you were able to engage or get from this particular campaigns. And then you will be able to see the campaigns that you create and that are active and independent information about each of the campaigns. And these are the rewards that are triggered. So once your campaigns are set up and run, you will pretty much be able to see what are all the different rewards that your campaigns has already delivered. And you can also pretty much integrate your autoresponders, and this is the section where you go ahead and do that autoresponder integration. And you can also do some additional settings like what is the specific social message that you wanted to use when you're actually sharing your campaigns, or when you're letting your referrals do the referring of the campaign, or the sign-in page or whatever it is. And you have Fraud Center, which actually helps you to identify some fraudulent issues. Like, I mean, it's the most common thing for any viral campaigns to be misused, right? Like if I say that I'll give you a coupon if you share it with 3 persons, there are chances that people sign up with 3 different email IDs just to grab the coupon. Now, they have actually implemented some fraud detection mechanisms to make sure that they highlight such IP addresses which are actually trying to misuse the system, and all that information is available here. Now, you have ability to see how many referrals you were able to get and how many domains you have and how many campaigns you have. And you also have resources section where you can actually go ahead and take a look at what are all the different resources that were suggested by Perkzila. I mean, if you already have any of these things, there is no need for you to go here. But in case if you are new to autoresponders as well, then they are just giving you everything handy. And you also have a help, which is also similar to your quick start guide, but quick start guide gives you what exactly needs to be done to get started, and this particular help program will give you what exactly Perkzila is and how to use Perkzila and everything in detail than what we have in the quick start guide. And we do have an advanced training webinar. I would suggest you guys to spend some time here, and it's really 2 hours, 1 hour 20 minutes training. I think I've seen more than 20 minutes of the time towards the end for the FAQs, but definitely there is a good amount of information within this particular advanced training session where they actually go over each and every aspects of the framework and also, the product, and also what are all the different ways that you can use this product, and how else you can extend the usage of this particular product, not just beyond the basics what is explained in the help documents. So that's pretty much about how the members area looks like. You can just toggle this by clicking on these buttons, but we will go ahead and take a quick look at how to set up the campaign. But before that, let's understand what exactly Perkzila is and why do you really need to care about. As I mentioned, Perkzila is a viral rewards platform. It will actually help you to set up viral campaigns so that you can encourage your visitors or your subscribers to share your link for in exchange to a coupon or a free giveaway or whatever it is. Like, so what you basically can do is you can set up a campaign and say, okay, thanks for making this purchase, or thanks for signing up, and now if you can refer 3 more people, or if you can share this link with 3 more people, we will be able to give you maybe the next level of program at a lesser price, or we can offer you a coupon, or we can give you a free giveaway or something like that. And what happens is when the person is actually trying to do the referral, and when they actually do the referring, they try to share it with maybe the 3 people. The moment they do the sharing, they automatically get an email saying that this is the coupon, or this is the link to access your free giveaway, or whatever it is. We can actually go over all those things, but basically what happens is you can set up how you want to reward your customers to get the referrals back to you. And the referrals in turn can actually do furthermore referrals. So what actually is going to happen is, think about this. If you are doing a paid PPC campaigns or Facebook campaigns, and if you are trying to get targeted to at least 100 people, till now you are supposed to pay for 100 people. Now if you wanted more customers, what you need to do is again set up the campaign and start running. But with this particular sign up form that you get from Perkzila, what you can do is try to get those 100 people for the same price, but when you give the reward to this 100 people, they pretty much mostly be able to reshare or refer a few more folks to your campaigns. Now because of this, what's going to happen is you are pretty much spending the same amount what you are actually spending for the current campaigns, but you are in turn getting more referrals, more subscribers, so that you can actually increase your list very easily. Now in return, whatever you are giving is totally up to you guys. If you want to give a free PDF, or you just wanted to offer a coupon if you are an e-com store, or if you wanted to give a different payment plan if you have a product or service that you are already providing to your customers. Now this is taken care very, very, very easily. There is no need for you to look for a designer or a developer anymore, and also no need to pay any recurring monthly cost which is existing with most of the other referral programs. I have actually tried to do a comparison between the current programs that are already in the similar segment, which means the programs which are actually helping to do social shares, which are actually helping to give the coupons, and which are also helping to do a refer a friend kind of stuff. For all these kinds of programs, literally we have monthly payment programs, or very limited options that you could do with these particular programs if you signed up to their services. But with Perkzila, the easiest thing is it's so easy to set up, and it's one-time cost, and there is no limit on the number of referrals that you can set up, and there is no limit on the amount of options that you can try to play with and get more reach to your subscribers. You will understand when I go through a little about the campaign creation, and also when you go through the sales page of this particular product. Now if you wanted to go ahead and take a look at that, just click on the link in the description below, and you will be taken down to the product page, and you will be able to see the features all by yourself. We do have 3 demos here. We'll go over and take a look at those things just in a few seconds. Now let me quickly jump on to the members area and try to create a campaign, but we'll also discuss about what are the pros and cons of this particular product as it is right now, and we'll discuss about other things as we are done with the campaign creation. Now we are back to the members area, guys. We'll go ahead and take a quick look at how to create a campaign so that you can understand what are the different things that you can do with Perkzila over any other programs. And if you are, or if you are already using any other refer my friend kind of programs or softwares, you will easily understand what I am talking about. But if you're not using them, don't worry about those. I just wanted to let you know that Perkzila is a little better over those programs because we have got more options in one place rather than getting signed up with multiple different vendors or programs. Now, the moment you go into the dashboard, you can go ahead and set up the autoresponders in case if you want to capture leads as part of this, which I think pretty much a mandatory need for all of us anyway. I'm not going to do that setup right now, but I'm going to show you what exactly I mean. So you can actually come here and you can pretty much integrate any of these guys that are available here automatically. If not, you can also create, you can also get the custom HTML from your autoresponder. Now, creating a sign up form and getting that custom HTML and trying to use it as part of the current sign up form is gonna be the dead easiest way, because that gives an option to use any kind of autoresponder, not just these things that are available here. So you will just do this integration in case if you have something other than what is already present here. If you have them, then just click on them and then go ahead and do the connection. Now I'm not going to do that. I'll click on cancel for now, and I'm going to campaigns, and I'll just click on create campaign. I have one test campaign that I've created just before this demo. Now the moment you come here, one thing that you can understand here is these are the different types of preloaded messages that we have. If you are trying to set up a campaign to just do a discount coupon, like if you are using an e-com platform, or if you have a product selling services, then you probably wanted to give a discount. In that case, you will set up a campaign for the discounts. If you wanted to give a upgrade option as part of your services, this is the option that you would be choosing. And if you just wanted to just continue to build the list by giving the free giveaways or free reports or whatever it is on Facebook or any other social networks, all you need to do is building a list. So you pretty much choose what are the different types of campaigns that you wanted to select, and then you will end up creating the respective messages as you move on from left to right. We'll just do one sample here so that we can actually understand how it looks like. So let me do a test 2 and say giveaway. Okay, I mean free giveaway. Now let me say what I am trying to achieve here is if someone is actually referring 3 more people, I'm going to give the person who referred them a free giveaway. So that's the whole concept here. So I'm going to say my title as my website name, and I need to give that website name where I need to present the form or gonna host the form. For now, I'm just giving my website, but one good thing I'm liking in this particular program is you can pretty much do this even with a blogger. I mean, a blog. You pretty much don't need to have a own website. You can even do it with a normal Google blog. Now I'll just click on next. Now here I have the sign up form that I need to host on my website. Now I'm going to use a Insta Builder on my website, so it really doesn't matter at this point in time, but I'm just going to let you know that you can use any kind of widgets that accepts HTML forms, or any other programs that you are currently using to create your own landing pages. You can actually change whatever the way how the fields wanted to look like, and one good thing here is you can actually set up tracking also. So you can pretty much be able to track how many links are coming here and what are the different tracking mechanisms that you can do. You can do all of those things by integrating your tracking URL. And this is where you can actually integrate all the leads coming into this particular sign up form into your autoresponder, and you will pretty much be able to choose the list in case if you have the list here. I haven't added the autoresponder, so you're not seeing any list here, but if I did integrate, I will be able to see the list of the lists that I have in my autoresponder, and I can assign these subscribers to the respective list. And this is about customization of this particular layout. and a welcome email. It'll allow you to send a welcome email so that the person who is actually doing the subscription or the referral will actually know what exactly he need to work on and also to act upon. So you just need to enable the welcome email in case if you wish to. The auto scrolling is basically in case if you are using a large page and if your sign up form is somewhere on the bottom part of the website or on that particular landing page, enabling auto scrolling will actually help you to get down to that particular sign up form where the users are not actually missing out the bonuses that they are supposed to get. And then we'll click on next, and this is where we saw a few minutes back a welcome message, right? So this is where the welcome message is. Basically what this screen is gonna help us with is to give the communication back to the customers as they are actually working on this particular sign up form. The moment they give the email ID and click on submit, they will be getting this particular message saying that you have to go and confirm this particular email on your email box, and you can pretty much customize this particular layout because you have got the WYSIWYG editor or the HTML editor, and you can customize however way you wanted to do this customization message. And at the moment they confirm this particular subscription, they're gonna get this particular message on the UI, and they're gonna see that this is the referral link that they need to use to refer, so that they would be able to get more information or be able to get what exactly they are entitled to. So basically you will write one more statement here saying that maybe like your referral link is this, please share it with your friends to win a free traffic report, maybe something like that. Okay, and they have enabled the social sharing buttons here, which means the referral link can be shared directly from this particular place. And if you remember, a few minutes back we have actually seen what are all the different additional settings we can do, right? So if you go there, you can see what are all the different social networks that the person is allowed to share. So if you wanted to on Pinterest and Tumblr and Reddit, you can just make them on, and the campaigns will automatically show all those social sharing buttons here, and the subscriber who has actually subscribed will have an ability to share this at the same time on all the multiple platforms in case if he needs to. And already signed up, in case if someone is trying to cheat the system with the same email ID, that's when they get this page, and they'll be informed about their subscription status already. But as I said again, if they're trying to cheat the system by using multiple different email IDs, they are caught by using the fraud capabilities that these guys have already built. So that IP address is marked as a fraud detected, or marked under fraud, and is shown in this center. Now you need to understand that the IP addresses are marked and showed for you, but you have an ability to make them as blocked or unblocked or whatever it is. The reason is pretty much simple. I mean, if someone is trying to use a public system or a public machine in an internet cafe or whatever it is, you eventually will could have same IP address tracked for multiple email IDs, right? So they left the options to you guys so that you will be able to take a decision whether it is needed or not needed. Now once that is done, you also have an unsubscribe page just to make sure that we acknowledge them. Now once these are all taken care, and no need to worry about any of these variables here guys. If you need to change anything, just make sure that you're changing the text. No need to worry about the ones that are in the curly braces here. Okay, and then the next minute what you have is a confirmation email message. So as I said, these are the on-screen messages, and once you go to the emails, you will be able to see what are the different emails information that they are actually receiving, so that you can understand what is going out. So site title is the one which we were talking about a few minutes back, where I have mentioned Online Money Bee. So this is where it goes in now. And they are confirming this, and again this is the information. And then next they will be getting an welcome email, and again all this is customizable to the extent whatever you want. They have a quick link here so that they can actually go ahead and start sharing it. Now once you have these messages all taken care, again you can customize it in any way that you want, because it is a HTML editor that you are seeing here, and it's easy to control. Just make sure that you don't look spammy, so that your welcome messages are not going into the spam boxes rather than inboxes. Now if you click on next, you can actually do a save. Now this is where the magic happens. So if you see here, all you're getting here is a piece of HTML code. So what you need to do is just copy this code and drop it into your website page wherever you wanted to display this particular form, and that's all done. Now the moment you have this code pasted on your form and saved, you will be able to use that particular page from then onwards as the viral rewards sign up form, and that will help you to continue getting multiple shares and multiple subscriptions or multiple signups as per the campaigns that you are choosing. Now as again I said, the changes that you need to worry much about are these things. You, based on these particular changes, these particular options, you will be able to generate either it is a coupon based email or a particular email trigger email or whatever it is. So if you are able to choose them appropriately, your campaigns will be set up appropriately. Now what you can do is click the link in the description below for a quick demo of 3 different categories that we were talking about. You can actually see the demo of these 3 different types that we are discussing here. Like in the campaign, if it is a free giveaway, this is exactly what we are referring to, list building giveaways. If you click on this, you will be able to see the demo completely on how to do this, and what are the different steps that you need to take in order to set up this particular demo video. Okay, so if I show you, so yeah, you can see here, right? So once this is how the sample page looks like, and they have the referral link here, and this is how all the options for this particular social buttons is enabled for the person who is actually subscribing here for the first time, and they would be receiving an email in their mailbox just the way how you are seeing here. This is what exactly we talked about a few minutes back. Now you can pretty much see how to set up a viral contest, and you can also see how to get a product launch enabled even before the launch product is available. So these are all the 3 key different things that you can do, but you can definitely maximize the potential of usage of Perkzila with all your ideas or thoughts, whatever you wanted to. Okay, now one quick thing I missed out as part of the members area demo is we did not actually set up the goal for the campaigns, right? So I said when the subscriber is referring 3 referrals or 3 more friends of him or his, he will be getting the email or the coupon or his free giveaway, but we have never talked about how to set that one. Now what you can do is, once your campaign creation is done under my campaigns, you can actually go to triggered rewards, and under triggered rewards you can actually come here and add the trigger from this particular location. Now you can choose what is the campaign that we are referring here, and then you come here and click on add. There is a clear instruction here in case if something goes wrong in the layout of this particular page. They have clearly called out that we have to disable some of the extensions. I already have a few more extensions on my Chrome browser, so we probably will not be able to see the page in the proper way. See here, you are not able to see the page in the proper way, so I think I'll pass it off for now, but you can see that information in the demo video when you actually click on these things, how easily it is possible to set up that number, so that you can actually send out an email saying that these are the number of referrals, and when this campaign is executed, it will take the number from here and it will go ahead and consider sending out the reward email once they reach that particular number. Okay, now let's go ahead and understand what are the different benefits of this particular program. Before that, let me give a quick glance of features that are listed on the sales page just to make sure that I haven't missed out anything. It's pretty easy, fast and fun to create the campaigns. Yes, you don't need any technical knowledge except for the fact that you need to choose which is the type of campaign that you need to set up, and the rewards are automatically triggered. So once you set up the triggers, as I just mentioned here under the trigger rewards, it's all done and deal. There is no need for you to wait and take a look at okay, did this person reach out number 3 or number 4 or number 5. So basically all these things are automatically triggered, and this is where I was saying, you can keep your imagination on par and start sending the rewards. Like, say for example, if you're referring 3 people, you pretty much send maybe a 5% discount, and if someone is sending 10 people as the referrals, you may end up giving them a more discount coupon or giving any other benefits over other customers who have only done 3 referrals or 2 referrals. You can pretty much play with all those things because everything is automated. There is no need for you to look back and revisit what's happening for this particular person or people who are helping you more versus helping you less. And enablement of social network sharing. This is one other thing that we discussed, and we have already seen these are the different social network platforms that are available here. So you're actually maximizing your potential across multiple social platforms, not limited to Facebook or Pinterest, which are the most common platforms used by many other programs. So this is one good thing. And advanced fraud detection, as I said, the ability to choose or identify that a particular IP is giving you more referrals, which might be a possible fraud. So you're getting information about this particular fraud on your dashboard, and you will be able to take a decision whether you have to block that particular IP address or is it okay. I mean, in case if you are referring to the case where someone is using your sign up page in a library where you could potentially see multiple signups from the same IP address, that's not a fraud, right? So you have that control on your side rather than they take an automated decision, which is good in my view. And you also have data reporting, very good data reporting structure here. We do not have the information at this point in time in my dashboard here. It's a specific review access that I have got, so I do not have the dashboard information here, but you can see how well the information can be seen. And integrations, as I said, one good piece that we have observed is when Perkzila was initially given for the beta users, they received more feedback and they started integrating, or they started giving ability to integrate more autoresponders. So rather than giving individual services, they opened up the ability to add the custom HTML forms that you create in your autoresponder sign-up forms. So that actually has opened up the channel to integrate almost any autoresponder which gives you the custom HTML form. That's actually a very good sign. I mean, I've seen that there is an option for providing the feedback and also providing the suggestions. So if you are a customer of Perkzila, you have an ability to request for addition of features, and Perkzila customer care is actually taking super care about those features, and you can also go there and take a look at what are the different features requested by others, and you can vote on them. And if there are more number of votes, Perkzila team is gonna take them into consideration and see the feasibility of adding those features, which can definitely help everyone. You see, I mean, I haven't seen this kind of support from other people at this lowest price that we gonna get this particular product for. We will talk about the pricing just in a second, okay? And yeah, you can pretty much do this integration on any pages, as I mentioned. Even you can do it on a blog, not just on a website or whatever it is. And this particular page has actually got all the information. As I mentioned, this is in the demo stage, whatever I am showing you right now, but the information of on this page is pretty much intact with what I am explaining you right now. It's only the layout or some more content that will be added. I'm pretty sure whatever they have got right now here is exactly what they are trying to promote, and I am very happy about the product. In case if you wish to or if you are into e-com, or if you're into affiliate marketing, and if you're having struggles to do the list building, or if you wanted more engagement from your customers who are actually more interacting with you, this is one of the platforms that you can consider as part of your business. Now we'll take a look at the pricing structure of this particular product, and you'll understand why I am saying this is better over the others. Okay, so this particular program is available in 3 different variations. The first one is the starter plan, and the second one is growth plan, and the third one is unlimited plan. Now the starter plan is available at $67, and it can allow you to save 10k emails, 10,000 emails, and can allow you to run one viral campaign. And then there is a growth plan which is at $97, and it'll allow you to send 5 viral campaigns, set up 5 viral campaigns, and store up to 50,000 emails. And then we have unlimited plan which is at $197, which will allow you to set up unlimited subscriber emails and unlimited viral campaigns. Now if you compare this with any others, the major difference is this is all one time. The price that you are going to pay right now is for lifetime. There is no need for you to pay monthly fees. And in case if you are wondering about any upsells or any OTOs, you have an ability to purchase a one-time offer, which is the viral giveaways bundle at $97, and you're gonna get 25 ready-made giveaways to do your viral promotions upfront. So that's an upsell that is available. Now coming back to the comparison, if you wanted to compare it with any other viral reward platforms that are available out there, all of those are at per month basis, which means they are recurring. So if you consider Perkzila, this is a lifetime fee. It's many a times it is better to go by a lifetime plans than a monthly subscription based plans, because of many benefits that we could think of in terms of plan changes, support, early bird access, and all of those things. I could also see the excellent engagement with the support team, with the existing beta group testers or users, whoever they are. And if you are interested, you have the link for this product in this description below. And if you can purchase through that link, we will be getting a little commission of the sale with no extra cost to you. Now if you like the review video, please click on the like button, and if you would like to see more of these kinds of videos, just click on subscribe button. And if you also wanted to understand more information about making money online, you can click on subscribe and take a look at our channel for the new videos. Okay, that's it for now, guys. Talk to you soon in another video. Thanks. Bye for now.